Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is rescind. It is pronounced rescind, and it is spelt R-E-S-C-I-N-D. Think res and then sind. Rescind means to revoke, cancel, or repeal, usually a law, order, or agreement. For example, you could say he chose to rescind his offer to buy the car after learning the vehicle had been in several crashes in the past. Rescind comes from the Latin rescindere, meaning to cancel, abolish, or remove. Rescind comes from the Latin rescindere, meaning to cancel, abolish, or remove, the same as today. Can you think of any examples of scenarios where something might be rescinded? Remember, rescind means to revoke, cancel, or repeal. How about an invitation? If you invited a friend out with you and then had an argument beforehand, perhaps you decided to rescind or cancel their invitation so that they would not come. Or how about a legal verdict? If a prisoner was charged with bank robbery and sent to prison, but a year later evidence was found proving they were innocent, the guilty verdict would be rescinded. Can you think of any more examples? Leave them in the comments below. Rescind is a verb and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say the school chose to rescind his football scholarship after his bad behaviour. Rescind is defined in the dictionary as to make a law, agreement, order, or decision no longer have any legal power. Rescind synonyms include revoke, repeal, cancel, reverse, overturn, overrule, override, annul, nullify, void, invalidate, quash, abolish, and retract. Antonyms include enforce, enact, impose, apply, carry out, administer, and implement. See if you can rescind anything today. It could be an invitation or a rule in a game you're playing. Either way, make sure to use your new word today, rescind. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.